Hey guys, today we're going to be comparing capacity. All right, so what we're going to need for today's lesson is we're going to need our measurement conversion chart, okay, with capacity, and we're going to need our calculator. All right, so make sure that you have a calculator and make sure that you have your capacity conversion chart with you. If you don't have it here, it is in Schoology. So you can refer back to it. All right, so let's compare capacities. So let's take a look at a sample problem. The first problem that we're going to look at here when we're comparing is tell whether one measurement is less than, greater than, or equal to another measurement. So the first one we're going to look at is 16 quarts, and we're going to compare that to cups. So I'm going to rewrite that out on our whiteboard here. So 16 quarts and we're comparing it, so you should put a circle here for you to put your symbol, to 60 cups. All right, so I'm going to be comparing these two things. Okay, and actually when you do the abbreviation, it doesn't have an S. All right, so 16 quarts on this side, 60 cups on this side. Which is greater, which are less? So the first thing we want to do is, what we're going to do is we are going to convert one of these measurements to the other. We're either going to change the quarts so they are all cups, or we're going to change the cups so it's quarts. So we're comparing the same measurement, comparing the same unit to each other. All right, so the trick with comparing is we're always going to find the larger unit. Because remember, when we have, find the larger unit, because we multiply. When we move from the larger to smaller, we multiply, and multiplying is so much easier than dividing. So my trick is always find the larger unit, so you have to multiply to find an equivalent unit, okay? So looking at quarts and cups, I'm going to look at quarts and cups and decide, well, what's larger, a quart or a cup? You can use your gallon picture to help you see that, or you can use your conversion chart also to help you see that a quart is up here, gallon, quart, pint, cup. Cup is smaller than quart. Quart is larger. So the quart is larger. I like to circle the larger measurement. It's not the larger number, but it's a larger measurement. Quarts are larger than cups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be multiplying the amount of quarts I have times a number to find out how many cups. So let's use our conversion chart to help us see what I need to multiply by. So I'm going to look for, I have quarts over here, but on my chart it has where it's equal to pints. So I want to find cups over here. Here's cups. They're not in the same line. So what I need to do is not just multiply by 2, I need to multiply by both of these numbers. All right, I'm going to multiply by 2 and then by 2 again. Multiplying by 2 turns it to pints. Multiplying by 2 again turns it into quarts. So I'm going to see where cups is. I'm going to multiply this 2 and then by this number until I get to where quarts is. Okay, so I'm going to start with cups, multiply these two numbers. So I'm going to do 16 times 2 times 2 to find out how many cups I have. Okay, so again, I looked at my chart. I'm going from quarts to cups. I have two numbers I need to multiply by. 2 times 2 times 16. So go ahead, if you put that in your calculator. 16 times 2 times 2 is going to give me 64 cups. So here I have 64 cups. So 16 quarts is the same as 64 cups. Now I'm going to compare. Now I can compare cups to cups. Which is greater, 64 cups or 60 cups? That's right, 64 cups is greater. So my sign that I'm going to be using, my comparison sign, is the greater than sign. 64 cups is greater than 60 cups, so 16 quarts is greater than 60 cups. Let's try another example. Okay, let's do, the next one is 88 fluid ounces, and we're going to compare that to 11 cups. Compare it to 11 cups. So here's my steps again. The steps, the first step is I'm going to find the larger unit. I'm going to find the larger unit. So what's larger, fluid ounces or cups? That's right, cups are larger. So I'm going to circle that one. That's what I'm going to multiply with. I'm going to be multiplying 11 times something. So let's go to our chart. All right. So here I have cups and fluid ounces. They're on the same line, so I'm going to have to multiply by one number. There are 8 fluid ounces in 1 cup, so I'm going to be multiplying by 8. 11 times 8. We should know that our 11's facts is 88. So here over here, this is the same as 88 cups. So 88, or sorry, not cups, 88, 11 cups, 88 fluid ounces. So 88 fluid ounces over here, 88 fluid ounces over here. So my comparison sign will be, that's right, they're equal. So 88 fluid ounces and 11 cups are equal. So again, the steps are find the larger unit. Then you're going to use your conversion chart to determine what you're going to multiply by. Then you're going to multiply to find your equivalent measurement, and then you're going to compare using the same units. All right, I'll do one more example in the next video.